Hello everyone. So in the previous class we discussed about the operations on linked list. So first we discussed already the creating of linked list and also how the delete and new operators are working. Now today we will discuss the another operation, that is traversing a linked list. Okay, traversing a linked list. This is the second operation on linked list. Traversing, as earlier we discussed about what is the traversing which has to be access each element. Okay, and here it is a linked list, so here you are creating a node. Okay, so each element has to access at least once. Okay, so what is the definition? As it is a process of okay, it is a process of accessing what, here in this case in the linked list, accessing each node. Okay, accessing each node. Okay, node contains data and link. Okay, so process of accessing each node of the linked list, okay, and exactly once, at least it has to be traversed once, exactly once. Okay, and to perform what? Some operations. To perform some operations. This is what the definition tells of traversing. Traversing is a process of accessing each node. So here in the linked list, the node we are creating, okay, of the linked list, exactly once, okay, at least one time the process has to be done. Okay, so when you go for this traversing, what are the steps you have to follow? Okay, so steps to be followed. So what are the first steps? First step is to begin with. So where it is a start, move to the first node. Move to the first node. Begin or start or head, whatever you call. So to begin with, move to the first node. And the second step, okay, fetch the data from the node. You have to fetch the data from the node, and perform the required operation. First, you have to begin and move to the first node. Then second step, fetch the data from the node and perform the required operation depending on the data type. Depending on the data type. Okay, fetching the data from the node. You have to fetch the data from the node and perform the required operations depending on the data type. This is the second step. Third step, what is the third step is, next advance the pointer to the next node. Okay, advance the pointer to the next node. As I told you, link is a pointer. Okay, so it will be like this. So we have here, it is a start or begin. From this connected. So we have, this is a node. Here we have element. This is a data. This is the link. These are called node. So this is a link. What is the third step? Advance the pointer to the next node. So advance this pointer to the again next node. Again we will create another node here. Okay. Next, fourth one, what you have to do? Step 2 and step 3 is repeated, because again the fetching the data, again it will be the next node, again the pointer will goes to the again next node, it will be like this. Okay, so step 2 and step 3. Step 2 and step 3 is repeated. Step 2 and step 3 is repeated until what? All the nodes are visited. How many nodes are created? That all the nodes has to visit. That is what? Once it has to visit. Until all the nodes are visited. Because traversing at least once all the nodes it has to visit. Okay, these are the steps you have to follow. First, begin with move to the first node, then fetch the data from the node. This is the node we created, the data is here. Okay, and perform the required operation. Then depending on the data type. Next, what will happen? This is a pointer, that is how we call it as a link. It will, what it will do? Advance the pointer to the next node. It will connect to the next node and repeat same thing again until all the nodes are visited. So every nodes will be visited. Okay, that is what we call it as traversing. Now these are the steps. Same steps you can write it in an algorithm. Okay, so how to write an algorithm? We just go through the algorithm now. One thing, it is very important, it is in the node you have data and link. From the one node to the next node there will be a link pointer. Okay, so from there again it will be to the next pointer. Okay, so now algorithm. So we have algorithm for this traversing. So for this algorithm you need start, as we require the start, that is address of the first node, that is the address of the first node. Then we require another one pointer P. We require one pointer P, that is temporarily used this pointer, temporary. Okay, just temporarily used to visit all the nodes. Visit all the nodes. That is pointer P. Another one is start. Okay, and this visit all the nodes from, all the nodes means what? Begin to end. Begin to end, because it has to visit from beginning to end at least once. Okay, so now see the first step. What is the first step? Is here you have to check. What is you have to check? P is equal to start. Okay, so a pointer will be with the start, that is initialize P to the first node. You can write in bracket initialize P to the first node, that is a pointer. P is equal to start. Then second step, check condition while P not equal to null. P not equal to null. If it is null, then you cannot visit anything. Okay, so because there is no nodes are created, so that's why first check P not is equal to null. Okay, then step 3, what you have to do? Whatever the created, that is processing from node, one node to another node, that is for the data process is equal to data of P. That is the third step what you discussed in the steps to be followed. Okay, that is fetching the data. What it will do? Fetch the data. It will fetch the data. That is, a process will happen. Process is equal to data of P. Okay. Then step 4. What is remained is we have to, as I told you, after data fetching, again it will go to the link to the next node. Okay, that is the third step what we discussed. That is P is equal to, here we are using the pointer for that, link of P. Link of P means it will advance to the next node. Advance to the next node, because from the pointer link we are going for the next node. Okay, so this is how we have to follow all the steps repeated. So last it will be end, while end, so that is end of while, end of while. Then what will happen? The last step, that is step 6, that will be return. Until this will be followed, until all the nodes should be visited. Okay, this is a simple algorithm for traversing. So you need start as and P for the pointer. So it will be initialize the first to the pointer, then you have to check the condition P not is equal to null, then process will happen. Process is equal to data of P means fetching the data as we told the fields, as I discussed in the steps. Okay, fetch the data from the node and perform the required operation. Okay, that is will be the process. And third step what we discussed, advance the pointer to the next node. So that is what the link. Okay, P is equal to link of P, because link is a pointer which connects to the next node. That is advance to the next node, then end of while, then return. Okay, so this is what the simple algorithm for traversing a node. Okay, so this is today's discussion, that is how to traverse, means steps you have to follow, and also the algorithm. Okay, so first creation of linked list, that is one operation. Second one, traversing a linked list, that is a second operation. Okay, in the next video or in the next class we will discuss the third operation, that is how to insert the node. Okay, thank you very much.